right? So what the third question is that when the ball falls from here and reaches this point where the height is h by 4, how much is its speed? Clear? We have to find the speed at this point. So if I want to do calculation, then I will do it from A to C. I will not do it from A to B. See, there is one more thing that you all will have to understand. There are three equations of kinematics. Yes or no? Yes. First thing that you need to decide is which one to use. But even more basic is that where to use it. That is, should we use it from A to C? Should we use it from A to B or C to B? What should we take as initial and what should we take as final? You understand what I am saying? Observer can observe from anywhere. Yes or no? It's also that I can start observing at A and stop observing at C. I can start observing at C and stop observing at D. It could be anything. So observer has to decide. You all are observers. You have to decide. What do we want to take? A to C, A to B, C to B. C to B. C to B. Okay, sure. You want to do that? Absolutely clear? Fine. Let's see what happens. So C to B. That's what you are saying. Which equation do you want to use for C to B? Which equation do you want to use for C to B? There are three equations only. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Decide it. Or give some logic. Why do you want to use this? Give some logic. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Which one? Second. Why second? Just a second. Delta is equal to B0 t plus half it square. It's the second equation. Okay, now.
Sir, because initial velocity is given that delta x is given.
Initial velocity is 0. For C to B.
No.
For C to B, initial means which point?
C.
C. So do we know what's the velocity at C?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Do we know what's the velocity at C?
No.
Sure? In fact, I think that's the question. What's the question? Read it. What is the velocity when it reaches at height h by 4? Got it?
Yes.
So obviously we don't know this, otherwise we wouldn't be solving it. Right? So is this a good idea? No. You understood why this is not a good idea? Clear or not clear? We don't know what is V0. We don't know what is t. That is, do we know how much time it will take to go from C to B? Do we know how much time it will take to go from C to B? Yes or no? Have we found it earlier? Without finding, you cannot know anything, right, in nature, because nature is very mysterious. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
So that's why, although this is a right equation, but it is of no use. Sit down, Suma. Well tried. Now, starting my this is normal. Okay, then what else? Can we use second equation? No. Then can we use first equation? Can we use first equation? Can we use first equation? No, why not? What's the problem? We once again don't know what is initial velocity. We also don't know what is time interval to go from C to B. Correct or not?
Yes.
The bad idea. Third one. Third one. Third one, try 2a delta x equal to v square minus v0. Okay, out of all this, what do we know? Do we know 2's value?
Yes.
But who vicharo chottu badu? You obviously know 2's value, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, a downwards we have taken negative or positive?
Positive.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, 0 here and ground, upward negative. So a's value we know, correct or not?
Yes.
Plus g. Okay, delta x. H upon 4 plus h by 4 minus h by 4. Ball is going from C to B. नीचे जाए.
Yes.
So positive. Clear or not? So
Yes,
plus
sir.
h by 4. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so take this on the right side. V square. V is the symbol of final velocity. Which is the final point? V. What's the velocity at P? Do we know that?
No.
Nothing fine, guys. Read the answers to the previous two questions. Have we found the velocity at P? Yes.
Yes.
Who has found it? That was question 2.
Yes.
Okay. So many of you have done it. Very good. Very good. Yes, Shantanu, what's your answer?
V is equals to under root 2 GH.
He's saying under root 2 gh is the velocity at this point P. Who agrees with him? My friend, you don't have a lot of support. Okay. Who has another answer? Not this, something else. Alright. Yes, Prisha, what's your answer?
So G into under root 2h upon
G into under root
2h upon
2h upon G. Who has this answer? Okay. Any other answer? Yes, he. Okay. Don't put root 2's value. It's fine. Sit down. Same answer. Okay. Now it's time to reveal the secret. Krishna ही कृष्ण है. What do I mean? और गंगाधर ही शक्तिमान है. Yes or no? What does this mean? His answer and you all gave some other answer, but actually both the answers are the same and they are correct. So well done. Okay, आपको पढ़ाई ने happy coincidences. Well, why are both answers same? Let's have a look. First of all, if it's G here, then I'm sure you understand that you can cancel root G when it's like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And you get root G in numerator. Is this fine? Just like 2 by root 2. How much is 2 by root 2? Root 2. Is that okay? Just like that, G by root G is?
Root
G. So now root G into root 2h means root of 2gh. Is that clear?
Yes.
So what he said, what they said, and what you all said, the others, it's all the same. But yes, I just comment upon something. This is the most simplified version. This is not so simple. G is at 2 places, so you should do these steps and write the final answer. Like, understood? Okay. So here the velocity is how much? Root 2j. So now, do we know the final velocity? Do we know the final velocity? At P, yes. How much? Root 2j. Square it. So if you square it, what do you get? 2j. Is that okay?
Yes.
Minus. What is V0? 0? Sure? No? What's that then? We want to find it. Initial means at which point? C. In the comment. No, whatever the comment. To be very frank, I'm a little surprised in a happy way. Okay. Now 2 into A. What's A? G. Delta X.
H by 4.
H by 4?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Plus H by 4? Ne?
Yes.
So this is what we get. Do the maths yourself. Come on. Simplify it and find out V0 square and then V0. Finish. Pen फटाफट चलाओ. Exam होए एवी थे. Everyone, hurry up. Please maths માં કઈ ગડબડ કરતા નહીં હો. આટલું મહેનત કરો ફિઝિક્સ સાચું કર્યા પછી મેથ્સ ખોટું એટલે આન્સર ન આવે એકચ્યુઅલી. And I insist that everyone please write it wherever you have written the question. અરે book બગડશે બગડવા દો કઈ વાંધો નહીં. રફ book જેવી લાગે તોય કઈ વાંધો નહીં. Okay. It is proof that you tried it on your own અને મારી પાછળ કોપી નતા કરતા. I'm telling you. કે અહીંયા શું કામ કરે છે? અહીંયા તો આટલી બધી જગ્યા છે. તમે લોકો આટલું બધું બુકનું ધ્યાન ન રાખો. બરાબર ને? Try to simplify it. It can be simplified if you have not made a calculation mistake. Because you have finished it, I will give you one more question. Can you find the speed? No, can you find where will the speed be half of maximum? Maximum क्या होगा इसमें? Where will the speed be maximum? Look at what we are doing. Drop from A. Where will the speed be maximum? Now, where will the speed be maximum? नीचे आवे तो स्पीड વધે કે ઓછી વધે ને તો મેક્સિમમ ક્યાં at b maximum okay so I'm asking you where will the speed be half of maximum where at which point will the speed be half of maximum poor maths couldn't connect maths You are guessing. Prove करें फिर. कोई value क्या है वो तो number देके change नहीं question mark. Do we have value में? नहीं number आ गया. It's not right. Check the calculator. You know why I am waiting for you all? Patli વાર તો don't લાગે of course, but there is a lesson for everyone. If physics આવડી જશે પછી તે છેલ્લે તો maths ઉપર જ આવશે. So if you will not be able to do the calculation, then even after knowing every bit of physics that I teach you, you will not get marks in the exam. કારણ કે તમારી sum solve નહીં. Okay? So on priority basis, everyone, from today itself, stop hating maths if you are doing so. બધાને એવું ન હોય, I know. Some of you still like maths. I understand. But if you don't like maths, then it's important that you get rid of that feeling. Because without that, even after I tell you that, okay, you have to do this. Suppose exam માં તમે આટલું કરીએ નાખશો, I know. પછી શું? પછી આન્સર આવશે. તો આ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછો 2 માર્કમાં તમને હાફ માર્ક મળશે. Just because you couldn't do the next step correct. That shouldn't happen with anyone. Okay, so it's definitely time to polish your math skills. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so be careful, see how I'm doing it, ask questions even if it is about math. And એક વસ્તુ તમને કહું, maths is just like any other sport. જ્યાં સુધી તમે નહીં કરો તો તમને નહીં આવડે. તમે ખાલી જોઈ રાખજો, હા 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 થઈ ગયું. પછી એક્ઝામમાં mistakes. Okay, we don't want them. See, how many of you got any other answer except this? How many of you got some other answer? Be honest with me. મને તો ખબર છે હું તમારી નોટબુકમાં જોઈ શકું છું ને, એવું તો કંઈ છે નહીં કે મને દેખાતું નથી. How many of you got any other answer except this?
Sir, it will be significant.
આનાથી સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ વધુ કરી જ ન શકે, કોઈની તાકાત નહીં કરવાની. 1.5 છે. Okay, that's a very odd, not wrong, but odd combination. So, bas આવું આવે તો એને then you can put your hand up if you are getting root of 1.5 g. Okay, fine. Well, let's see how we get the step. So everyone else just, you might have made a calculation mistake somewhere. LCM, addition, subtraction, multiplication, you never know what went wrong. Let's start. So first of all, V0 square will come on left side. Is that clear? Yes. So plus agent. Okay or not okay? Then 2gh by 4 will go on right side. Yes or no? So 2gh minus 2gh by 4. Got that? Got that or not?
Yes.
Okay, now what's cancelled? Anything cancelled? 2gh cancelled. 0 by 4. Yes or no? How do I? ખબર છે મજાક કરજો તમારી સાથે. So this is 2gh minus, clear?
Yes.
gh by 2. Okay, what to do now? What to do? This has denominator, this doesn't have it. Means they are different denominators. LCM. Yes or no?
Yes.
કરો તો સર.
GH by 4.
Okay. 4gh minus gh by 2, that is 3gh by 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure. So this is V0 square. So what will be V0? Take square root. So V0 equal to square root of 3gh by. Understood? Okay. Who got it right till this step? Raise your hand. Keep your hands up. આગળ પૂછતા જાઓ. Who got it right till this step? This step. This step. And finally that. Okay. I wanted to see where you all have made this. Right? આમ તો બહુ ક્લિયરલી આ તો ફિઝિક્સમાં નથી આવતું, but I feel it is a part of my duty, because if I just leave it here and then I say you can't go away, તો થોડાક ટાઈમમાં તમે એમ જ કહો સર એ કઈ સમજ નથી આવતા. We don't want that to happen. Okay, so you have to learn the maths part. You cannot avoid it. Sorry. Okay, you cannot avoid it. અને maths શીખી જાવ એમાં કઈ નથી. maths મજા આવે એવી વસ્તુ. It's even easier than biology. I know you don't agree with me.
Yes.
Or do you?
Yes.
Okay. Nevertheless, so V0 is root of 3gh by 2. That's the answer to this question. Let's solve more questions. I'm erasing this. Now we'll go over to throwing questions. So far we are only talking about dropping. You remember the difference between drop and throw?
Yes.
Okay, now we'll talk about throwing. Let's start. કઈ નથી કરવાનું, સેમ જ હોય. All logic, all maths, all steps similar. So suppose here is a tower and this tower has some height. For example 20 feet. No, let's say 30 feet. Let's say this tower has a height of 30 feet. And someone stands on top of the tower and throws this ball up. Okay? Ball is thrown vertically upwards with speed. Let's say 20 meter per second. Okay, find the following things. Number 1, just find the maximum height it will reach. Number 2, find time at which it will cross the initial point or point of throwing. You can also say point of throwing. And third one, find time at which it will hit the ground. Okay, find time at which it will hit the ground. Now, it's very important to imagine what's going to happen here. Write down the question, then we'll start. Hurry up, come on. Okay, done? Handwriting. जवाब दो फटाफट लग जाओ. Please don't spend too much time writing questions. That's the problem with physics question. Hardly any question can be less than 3 or 4 lines. Okay. એટલે વાંચવામાં બહુ વાર લાગે એક્ઝામમાં. નીટ જેમાં તો 45 ક્વેશ્ચન ઘણા તો 45 વાંચીએ ન થાય. 1 કલાક. Right? If you try 1 hour. Anyways, so here, if you throw it off, it will go up, up, up. Then what will happen? But I'm just it. Right? So what will happen? At some point, it will turn back and come down. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone gets that?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
So let's try to draw it. It will go straight up. But see, I know it will go straight up, but I'm drawing it on the side so that I can show it to you. बाकी तो मैंने कहा मुझे आम जैसे आम या आम नीचे. Did you understand?
Yes.
But still I'm showing it on the side. Can you see over here, or does this come in the way? You can see, right? This is B point. Let's say the highest point is B, and this point is A, and here is C. Did you understand everything?
Yes.
So the ball will go from A to B, and then B to C. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. So as it goes up, when it's going up, first you throw it. So velocity will be in which direction when it's going up? Velocity will be in which direction? Upwards
Yes.
or downwards?
Upwards.
Because it's going up. Yes, velocity is always in the same direction in which object is moving. If it's going up, velocity upwards. But while it is going up from A to B, acceleration will be in which direction? Acceleration will be in which direction? While it's going from A to B, acceleration will be in which direction?
Downward.
Upwards or downwards?
Downward.
Downwards or upwards? ઉપર જાય છે ને તો upwards હોય ને કે ન હોય? જોયું તમે આ બધા sentences નો power છે. If you will read the sentences, you will understand. આજે સવારે લખાયું વાંચો. બોલો બુકમાંથી આવું ઘરે કરવાનું હોમવર્ક આપ્યું તો આજે ગોતવાનું what is missing. Did you find it? What's that? કેવી રીતે downward? શું લખ્યું છે? Acceleration due to earth will always be downward because earth will pull everything down. Clear or not?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
So while it's going upward from A to B, for example, here is A, here is B, and going up. So velocity is upward. Clear or not?
Yes.
But acceleration will be
Downward.
okay. What will happen in that case?
Retardation.
There will be retardation. Yes or no? So
Yes.
gradually the speed will
Decrease.
So પહેલા 20 years. 20, 19, 18, like that it will go up to 0 doesn't it? When it is 0, what will happen? Speed 0 means object is at
Rest.
stage 1 માટે આ ઉપર થઈને stop થઈ જશે. For how much time? Infinitesimal time. And then
Fall down.
then it start falling down. Did you understand?
Yes.
Basically the velocity goes from 20 plus 20 upwards positive. Okay, as usual. Upwards positive, downwards negative.
Negative.
Okay. So from plus 20, 19, 18, 13, 0. પછી -1, -2. Now velocity becomes negative. Means object will move in which direction? Downwards. Is that okay?
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Object always moves in direction of object moves in direction of what? Object moves in direction of velocity. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So after that it will come down. So have you understood that at point B, what's the velocity?
Zero.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's write down a general sentence which is useful not just in this question but everywhere in physics. These are the things that I want you to remember. ફોર્મ્યુલા તો ગમે એમ બુક માંથી મળી જશે પણ આ તમે બુક માં ગોતવા જશો ને તો ક્યાંય નહીં મળે. These are very useful sentences. Here. When an object reverses its direction of motion, its velocity at that time or at that point, whichever you want to write, will be 0. So when an object reverses its direction of motion, its velocity at that point or at that time will be 0. Let's try to use it here, or let's try to see it here. We toss something up, so it goes up, 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 then it will reach the highest point. And again, highest point given, because after that it will not go up, instead it will come down. So reverse in a direction.
Yes, sir.
But it was going up, now it's going down. Clear or not?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Everyone gets there?
Yes.
So where it reverses, at that point, how much is the velocity?
0.
Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Fine. So if we use that to solve this question, let's start. So first of all, I have to do calculation for A to B. Any queries? Any queries or not? A to B. Why A to B? Because we know about A. Here, how much is the speed? 20 meter per second. And we know about B. At B, how much is the speed? 0. Okay. Okay, A to B. Which is initial? Which is final? A is initial. Okay, B is final. Clear or not?
Yes.
Let's start. Which equation should I use? 1, 2, 3. I'll give it in. We know velocity at A, we know velocity at B, and we are interested in finding height. Yes or no? We are interested in finding height. Third one?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
We are not interested in finding time right now. We are only interested in finding height. So 2A delta x equal to v square minus v. Okay, 2. 2 is 2. A, acceleration, how much?
9 points.
Okay, let me write it here, makes it easy. Let g be 10 meter per second. Okay, let g be 10 meter per second. Write it in the question, everybody. Okay. What should I put for A? 10.
10.
Sure?
Yes.
10.
Yes.
10 or
Minus 10.
Minus 10?
Yes.
Sehaj concentration given at एक minus निकल जाता है and you will not get the answer. Okay, be careful. Concentrate over here. So now delta x means displacement from here to here, right? We want to find it. Let's leave it as delta equal to right side. V for final velocity. Final is which point?
D.
So what's the velocity? at D?
0.
Minus V0 for
Initial.
velocity. How much?
20
Plus
meters
20
per
minus
second.
20.
Plus.
Plus 20 or minus 20?
Plus 20.
Plus.
Yes.
Why plus?
Upward.
We have taken upward positive. Yes or no? કોઈ એવું નથી વિચારતું ને સર ક્વેશ્ચનમાં 20 આપ્યું 20 લખનામાં કેમ મગજમારી કરો પછી મગજમારી અત્યારે નહીં કરી તો પછી બહુ થશે. So better to teach you right away with the first one. So minus 20 delta x is equal to 0 square
0.
Minus 400. Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, or you can say 120 is cancelled and the delta x will be equal to 400 by 20. That is nothing but 400 by 20. How much?
20.
10 will do 20. Clear?
Yes.
Minus remove. So from here to here, the displacement is 20 meters. Is this fine?
Yes.
So how much is the maximum height that it gets from ground? From ground. 50 meters. 50. Clear or not?
Yes.
Sure. 50 meters from ground and only 20 meters from this point.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So, ये answer लखवानो एकदम final. the maximum height attained by the ball is 50 meters from ground. Clear? It's fine if you don't write here. Okay? તમારે જ વાંચવાનું, તમારે સમજવાનું. Actually, in my opinion, seeing a solved physics question hardly helps. Okay, my opinion. You may not agree, no problem. Okay, let's go to second one. So throwing one again, ફરક હતો. ઓલાને જેવું છે ને, only one thing, initial velocity is given. That's it. Fine. Any queries, anyone? પૂછી લેજો. બેઝિક માં સમજાઈ જશે તો ઈઝી પડશે. પછી આગળ કોમ્પ્લિકેટેડ થશે. Any queries? Okay. Let's go to second part of the question. Okay, what does it say? Find the time at which it will cross the initial point. Okay, can you imagine what will happen? You throw it from here, it goes up, 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 then it will come down. Then do you realize it will cross the initial point?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
So, એમાં કેટલો time લાગે એ find out. That is when it will go up and then come down. Till here. Meaning clear?
Yes.
Or not clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, so આમાં calculation કરવું હોય તો from which point to which point?
B to A.
B to A.
A to
A to
B.
Okay, who says A to B? Who says B to A? Any other opinions about what to do?
From A to B, then B to A.
A to B, B to A. Who says A to B and then B to A? Any other opinions about what to do? Anyone else? Okay, other opinion except this? Sit down. So those who are saying B to A, let me first confirm that you have understood the question clearly. You have to find the time that it takes to go up from here until here. Yes or no? Is the meaning of question clear? You have to find the time that it takes to go from A to up and then to back. So isn't that A to B, B to A? Clear?
Yes.
Clear or not? A to B, B to A. Fine?
Yes, sir.
They will not do that. We will do something extraordinary. No. Doing in two parts means you'll have to do more calculation. But if you do it directly, then you have to do very simple calculation. Did you understand?
Yes.
Right? So basically, some of you might have thought that we can find the time that it takes to go up and then we can find the time that it takes to come down.
Down.
Yes or no? That's what you might have had in your mind. એના બદલે આપણે બે સાથે ગણો. Okay, let's start. A to A. Okay, so which equation to use? We want to find time. Yes or no? So third તો કરાય જ નહીં. That would be stupid. First. Okay, let's try. તમે કહો છો આપણે try તો કરીએ. We should. Okay. Which point is initial? Which point is final? Yeah, but A, this is A while going up and this is A while going down. Is that clear?
Yes.
Be careful, they are not same. So velocity, our final है. How much is the velocity at A while going down? બોલો. Stop. થઈ ગયું ને પહેલામાં જ પૂરું. What am I saying? We don't know T. We want to find T. But then we should know everything else. Yes or no? But do we know V? Plan has failed. બરાબર ને? Plan has failed. Although the equation is right, but this strategy didn't work. એટલે ઘણી વાર છે ને ફિઝિક્સમાં ક્વેશ્ચન શું કરવાનું અને કેમ એવું જ કરવાનું, that is a very important question. Right? So this is a bad angle. Chalo. Any other option? Second equation. Delta x equal to V0t plus half x square. Let's see whether you can help me put the value. હું તો તમને કહેશો એ લખી. Delta x. Delta x. 20 के છે 40 के છે 0 के છે
0.
Who says 0? Who says 20? 40? 40, anyone? 49 ऊपर give 20 नीचे give 20 40 होता है 0 is the yes or no displacement. What is meaning of displacement? Final position minus initial position. Both are same. Both are same. Displacement is 0. I go to our sentence. જોયું ને ગમે ત્યાંથી નીકળે મેં સેન્ટેન્સીસ તમને એવા વ્યવસ્થિત લખાયેલા છે રાઈટ સો 0 is that clear equal to now v0 plus 20 minus 20
Plus 20.
plus sure
Yes.
it's going up right so initial velocity is positive so plus 20 t plus half what is it 10
Minus 10.
now what is it clear okay now we have to solve this equation 2 will cancel with 10 so you get minus 5 so the equation becomes 20t minus 5t squared is equal to 0 we have to solve this anything common t common 5 is also common yes or no
Yes.
so what's remaining now
40
4 40 hours 4 hours 4 minus t is that clear
Yes.
everyone take that are you sure you have understood that આવું તમને આવડશે ને એક્ઝામ માં કરતા okay now solve this so we get two answers what will be the two answers અરે આવું નથી કર્યું કોઈ દિવસ અરે આવી equation તો solve કરતા જાય ને x 2 into x 3 is equal to 0 then what to do next then x 2 is 0 or x 3 is 0 our yes or no તો એ વામાં કરો 5 તો 0 નો હોય divide 5 on that side clear done 5 is divided on that side હવે શું આવે t equal to 0 or t equal to 4 yes or no
Yes.
two answers are there but out of that one is very funny answer see what we have found is how much time does it take to go from a to a you are standing over there you are going to throw it the moment you throw it time is 0 at that time where's the object at rest rest nahi where is the object going to be rest is not a place barabar na if someone says where is the object you say at rest okay so you are throwing it up from here at a at that time t is 0 and the object is still at a the move thano time no matter do you realize
Yes.
so if t is 0 displacement will definitely be 0 but that's not the answer we don't have to find that we have to find when it goes up and comes back so the other answer is correct did you understand
Yes.
the other answer that is it will take 4 seconds to go up and come back clear 0 to no le ne how can something take 0 seconds to go up and come back exact 0 aave sure so the answer is this one you can say that a ball takes 4 seconds to cross initial point okay I will develop number well then take it up where is anyone પૂછી લેજો કોઈને કઈ પૂછવાનું હોય તો third one Jyoti
So what if we get not 0? We'll get value of another t.
then there might be two answers then maths is dumb તમને ગમે એવી વાત કહો what am I saying maths is dumb maths ને નથી ખબર પડતી કે આમાંથી કયો આન્સર આવે but then we have to decide based on the physical situation whether one is possible or both are possible or neither is possible sometimes it don't happen like that. Understood so here suppose never mind I'll tell you when you solve the third one I think we'll get an example of what I'm saying okay so here 0 is not fine right 4 will be the correct answer that's clear
Yes.
what will happen if both are non-zero then we'll see what happens
So here a we can take plus 10 also.
just a second here here
Yes,
okay
sir.
why plus
Because a to b it is outside and then b
it
to
nahi bolવાનું pronouns ne what is upwards a to b
a to b acceleration.
is
Then-
upwards
Then we
in a to
My
b
goal-
acceleration is upwards
ball goes upwards. then acceleration will be plus 10.
So you mean to say that when the ball is going up, acceleration is plus 10. Acceleration is the vector, yes or no? So positive, upward. Is acceleration upward?
No, I'm saying that in this, it is coming A to, first A to
Yeah, the ball is going from A to B.
yes.
So
And then B to A.
focus on A to B. Your confusion will be solved. A to B, you are saying ball is going up. Listen to what she is saying, everyone. તમારે આન્સર આપવાનો છે, હું નહીં આપું. A to B, ball is going up. So acceleration is
Will be minus.
will be minus. Sure, how much minus? Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Okay, then
It will come from B to A.
B
then
to
it,
A.
Then it would be plus 10.
it નહીં બોલો. So
Acceleration.
acceleration will be plus 10 when the ball comes down from B to A.
So we have to find between A to A.
So shouldn't I write plus 10 here? That's what she is asking. Will anyone like to respond? Basically she is saying that when it goes up, if you are writing acceleration minus 10, then when it comes down, you will have to write acceleration as plus 10. Yes, he. Gravitational force. Do you remember that sentence? What's that? Acceleration due to gravity is always in which direction? Whether the object goes down, or it goes up, or it goes sideways, or it goes anywhere. Acceleration due to gravity will always be down. Okay? Sit down. એવું કેવી રીતે થયું હશે કે મેં પહેલાથી જ આ સેન્ટેન્સ લખાવી દીધો જેમાં કન્ફ્યુઝન છે ને આવ્યું ને કન્ફ્યુઝન that if object is going up or down you might get misguided by that. બે સેન્ટેન્સ લખાયા હતા. Let me remind everyone. First, objects move in direction of velocity and that has nothing to do with direction of acceleration. Correct or not? So whether object moves up or down, it has no relation with acceleration. Correct? First thing, sure. Second is if there is gravity, then gravity always pulls objects down. So acceleration due to gravity is always down, not plus or minus, always this. Fine. એટલે એક્ઝામમાં sentences તમને બચાવશે. I hope you realize what I'm saying. You got confused. Suppose plus 10 મૂકવાનું minus 10 મૂકવાનું કે ખબર ન પડશે. Try to recollect a sentence. યાદ આવી જાય તો કામ થઈ ગયું ને કે નો થઈ ગયું? Right? You will be out of that confusion. Well then. Third one, come on. For third one, we should do calculation from which point to which point? We should do calculation from which point to which point? B to C, A to C. Sure? Because we have to find the time in which it will go up and then fall. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. Did you get that?
Yes.
If you do B to C, then you will have to do A to B separate. Then instead of doing A to B and B to C, we will do directly from
A to C.
Start. Which equation is suitable? Which equation is suitable? 1, 2, 3. First one? Second one? Not third one? Third one मजा है ना? Is that okay or not okay? Right? So second one, delta x equal to v0t plus half a t squared. Done. Start. Danger is on the left side. Okay, biggest chance of mistake is here on the left side. What is delta x? A to C. Delta x means displacement. એટલે જો તમને સિમ્બોલ્સ યાદ રાખવાના બોલો how much displacement? 50 30 30 ઓપ્શન તમને કે ને 50 30 20 હજી કાઈ બીજું કાઈ 0 by voting. Who says 50? Who says 30? Who says 20? Who says 10? Who has any other answer except these four? Some other answer, right? What's it?
So -20.
-20. मार्केट में नहीं आया yes -30 जो धीरे धीरे जमीन बनाओ any other answer a new Horlicks है this is new and improved Horlicks એવું થયું ને sit down this is right એટલે જ કહું છું physics is very deceptive બહુ ધ્યાન રાખવું પડે how so this is initial position yes or no
Yes.
this is final position yes or no
Yes.
okay first of all what is magnitude of displacement magnitude of displacement shortest distance between initial and final अच्छा a અને c નું shortest distance કેટલું કેટલું થાય 30 clear or not
Yes.
so one thing is clear it's going to be 30 but plus 30 or minus 30 now look at this it's a to c this is initial point and this is final point the niche है yes or no
Yes.
draw the number line vertical number line here 0 10 20 30 so initial position 30 final position 0 so initial 30 final 0 clear or not
Yes.
sure 0 minus 30 is clear
Yes.
you know how
Yes.
final position c 0 initial position a at 30 so 0 minus 30
Minus 30.
minus 30 is that okay
Yes.
0 minus 30 is
Minus 30.
that's why minus. Another simple physics way अरे नीचे जाइए compared to a it's going here downwards yes or no it was here it goes here downwards got it clear or not
Yes.
do you remember displacement does not depend on path only depends on initial and
Initial and
final
final.
पहला ऊपर जाए पर પછી તો નીચે નહીં આવ્યો okay that's all v0 do we know v0 plus 20 minus 20 plus 20 or minus 20 કેમ minus plus જ આવે ને initially it was thrown in which direction તો minus શું કામ આવે got it
Yes, sir.
plus 20 if you have not understood please raise your hand I am saying v0 is plus 20 because the ball was thrown up initially it was thrown in which direction નીચે ભેગો ઉપર ભેગો ઉપર ને so
Yes.
upwards is
Plus.
positive so initially the velocity was upward
Positive.
after that it becomes negative that's okay but initially v0 at the point a got it
Yes.
t we don't know. plus half acceleration હવે કોઈ confusion નહીં ને હા તો minus 10 t square so minus 30 equal to 20t minus 5t square put everything on left side 5t square minus 20t plus 30 equal to 0 anything common 5 common so 5 common t square minus 4t plus 6 equal to 0 yes or no
D also it's
અરે t બધામાં નથી એમ કોમન ન નીકળે બરાબર ને ક્વોડ્રેટિક ઇક્વેશન બનાવી is it clear
Yes.
then you divide 5 on that side so t square minus 4t plus 6 equal to 0 આવું આવડે સોલ્વ કરતા આવડે okay I made a silly mistake did you see મારે થઈ ગયો mistake તમારે થાય બધાને થાય એવું કઈ નથી હોતું but you have to find it can you find I've done something wrong in these one of these four steps બોલો golden chance પડ્યો સર ને ખોટા પાડવા માટે yes Sama
Sir, you have put plus 30.
yes very good if I put everything on left side this minus 30 will remain so here it should be minus 30 did you get that
Yes.
Sit down. One mistake and you don't get answer મને તો આ ઇક્વેશન જોઈને ખબર પડી ગઈ હતી કે આનો આન્સર નહીં આવે એટલે મને લાઈટ થઈ ગઈ અરે હા આમાં મિસ્ટેક now we have to solve this factors આવડે અને પડે કરો ટ્રાય ફટાફટ કરો સમ પૂરો કરી એટલે ક્લાસ પૂરો ત્યાં સુધી બેસો આવડે કે નહીં ફેક્ટર બરોબર થાય છે ટેન્થ માં આવતું હતું ને આઈ હોપ યુ ઓલ રિમેમ્બર hurry up you have to get addition 4 or subtraction 4 and multiplication 6 right what to do 5 into 1 5 9 and 6 no that 2 into 3 type did you guys know that clear yes. 6 into 1 2 into 3 that means this is not going to work if you cannot factorize a quadratic equation how to solve if you cannot factorize a quadratic equation how to do any 10th માં કઈ શું આવતું એને શું કહેવાય discriminant method yes or no discriminant method okay હજી ડરો મેથ્સ થી પછી આન્સર નહીં આવે so discriminant method delta is first of all b square minus 4ac do you remember yes અને કમ્પેર કરતા આવડે ને this is 1 so a b is minus 4 and c is minus 6 કરો ડેલ્ટા શું hurry up 16 minus 4 કરો જલ્દી what is it
24
what and c
minus 6
minus 6 so this is going to be
16 plus 24
16 plus 24 how much is that 40 okay delta is 40 discriminant is 40 હવે શું કરવાનું now you have to find roots કેવી રીતે આવે ફોર્મ્યુલા છે કે નહીં minus b plus or minus root delta or d by 2 યાદ આવ્યું
yes
યાદ આવ્યું ને discriminant delta okay so minus b what might be minus minus 4 plus 4 plus or minus root 40 by 2a means 2 clear now there are two answers do you see there are two answers yeah the question you asked that will come up here so this will be 4 plus root 40 by 2 and another one will be 4 minus root 40 by 2 look at this is a negative time interval root 40 કેટલું થાય 6 થી વધારે થાય yes or no you realize so 4 minus 6 positive or negative negative ને time interval negative means you are going in past ball ફેંકો તો ઈ પહેલા નીચે આવી ગયો possible so this is how physics will tell you that this is wrong સમજ પડી ગઈ yes or no yes so આ આન્સર આવી okay you can simplify it a little bit if you want root 40 માંથી 4 common કાઢો એટલે 2 root 10 થાય do you understand
yes
and then divide by 2 so final answer will be 2 plus root 10 second whatever that value is okay if you have a calculator you can put root 10 value otherwise this is the final આવો આન્સર હોઈ શકે હા બધું હોય હવે તો 11 12 માં કઈ સારા સારા નંબર ન આવે okay 2 plus root 10 is the answer you have it out yes or no
yes
sorry
2 and 4
2 and 4 will cancel and this 2 and 2 will cancel મજાક નતો તો એમ જ થાય 2 common from numerator yes or no अच्छा अंदर से बचे 2 plus root 10 clear or not clear okay 2 to god તો એમ જ હોય ને પછી કઈ બધા સ્ટેપ થોડા દેખાડવાનો હોય હવે તો સ્પીડ બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે તમે નાના નાના સ્ટેપ દેખાડો તો સમ ન પૂરા થાય તમારા ઉડાડી દેવાનું સીધું એમને ઓકે turn it off now